First, open Telegram, search for BotFather, and click Start to initiate it. Type /new bot or click the menu button in the dialog box and choose New Bot. Follow the prompts to set a name and a username for your bot. Please note that the username must end with bot and be unique. After the creation is successful, BotFather will generate a string of text, which is an API token. Click to copy this token. Next, we will use it to configure OnlyTG Echo. Then search for Echo on bot and click Start. After that, enter the API token you just copied. I use another Telegram account to send a message through the cloned bot. Look, the message has been received. I can directly reply through the cloned bot without exposing my personal username.